Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm well. How are you?
Good. My name is Harold. I'm from Facility Services, and Miss Munoz wanted me to come down and just kind of clear up any issues you have in your room and just make sure that we're all squared away with your sanitizing of your desk and countertops and things of that nature.
Wonderful. I'm Trisha Cates, and I'm a first grade teacher here at Spring Hill, and I'm confused as to what the expectation is for the teachers in the classroom and how to keep them sanitized.
Okay, well good. Hopefully I can help you with that. So I see you have your spray bottle and your rag. Why don't we just start by you spraying this desk here just like it was a student's desk or a table. Lightly spray it, not too much. There you go.
Okay, and then just wipe it down?
And just wipe it down. The thing to remember is we're not washing it. We're just doing a quick sanitizing where you just lightly spray it and wipe it dry. We want to save you guys as much time as possible so that you can enjoy teaching instead of cleaning.
Perfect. Just like that?
Yes, ma'am. And just, just make sure that it's completely dry there. Here we go. Looks great.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. I'm Harold Sullivan from Facilities. I'm going to take my mask off since I'm the only one here, and you can better hear me with this. Thank you. So I'd like to talk to everyone about what's being done in our schools here in Fayette County. Let me start out by saying that thanks to our school board, our county administrators, we brought in a company called Ecovasive, and they sprayed every last one of our facilities with a chemical called PreventX, including our buses and all of our athletic facilities. This chemical puts down a protective barrier that's good for 3 months, and we will continue to spray the buildings and our facilities every 3 months. After that, all staff members will be helping us throughout the day with sanitizing countertops, doorknobs, desktops, things of that nature to keep our kids and everyone safe. So, after the school day is finished, the custodian staffs will take over doing their regular job of cleaning our buildings. After the completion of their regular cleaning, each school will be provided an electrostatic sprayer that the custodian staffs will use to disinfect our buildings. So they'll go from top to bottom and disinfect everything using electrostatic sprayers. And this will keep our environment safe and clean for the next day, and we'll be ready to go.